Hello friends, in this video we will learn about idioms and their meanings pronunciation, so let's begin our topic. To keep one's nose. To the grindstone. To work hard and diligently. To keep one's nose. To the grindstone. To work hard and diligently. Throw someone for a loop. To knock someone down. To surprise someone. Throw someone for a loop. To knock someone down. To surprise someone. Letter perfect. To be able to repeat or write something precisely and perfectly. Letter perfect. To be able to repeat or write something precisely and perfectly. Off the wall. To be unconventional or exceptional. Off the wall. To be unconventional or exceptional. Out to lunch. Not to be fully in control of one's senses. Out to lunch. Not to be fully in control of one's senses. Salt something away. To store or reserve something. Salt something away. To store or reserve something. Take someone to the cleaners. To cheat someone out of their money. Take someone to the cleaners. To cheat someone out of their money. Wear the pants in the family. To be the authority. Wear the pants in the family. To be the authority.